looking to crush some big goals and quickly transform your business in record time, then you're absolutely going to love the 12-Week Business Challenge. The 12-Week Business Challenge is an online, hardcore goal achievement program that reveals the most potent game plans for getting more accomplished in 12 weeks than most people do over the course of 5 years. Once you learn and act upon the rapid execution strategies, you'll not only achieve your goals faster, you'll do everything faster. You will solve problems, attract people and opportunity, build trust and drive sales, as well as creating massive amounts of abundance in all areas of your business and your life. I'm going to lay it on the line for you as to why you'll want to participate in the 12-Week Business Challenge. There's no added virtue, nothing worth bragging about in getting rich slowly, in turning your business around slowly, nor in achieving any goals slowly. Unfortunately, most of us have been conditioned to believe that there is something wrong with achieving goals quickly, or that the very idea is fool's gold and implausible. As someone repeatedly, consistently, and quite routinely who works with people and organizations who accelerate from standing starts to giant accomplishments, achieving goals fast is my reality, and it will soon become yours as well. That's why I created the 12-Week Business Challenge, to share with you the same exact methods I've learned to quickly grow a number of multi-million-dollar businesses and coach people to extraordinary performances. I'm confident I can do the same for you. The most compelling reason to participate in the 12-Week Business Challenge is time is running out for you to hit your goals, to close any performance gaps, and to finish what you started at the beginning of the year. Here's the plan and how it works. For the 12 weeks, you need to do just 3 things. 1. Identify 3 challenging goals, the ones that call out to you, come and get me. You must set challenging goals. If your goals don't challenge you, they cannot change you. So think bigger, as you'll be competing at the highest level to ensure maximum performance gains. 2. Follow your 12-Week Business Challenge game plan. Every game plan is designed to move you noticeably closer to the transformational results you desire in 12 weeks by using the principle of compounded effort. 3. Get comfortable feeling uncomfortable. You'll be pushed, guided, and supported for the next 12 weeks. From the moment you begin, fears will be confronted. The bar will be raised higher, expectations will be through the roof, deadlines and accountability will be ruthlessly enforced, and each day your goal is to beat yesterday. Do those things and you'll make more progress in 12 weeks than most people do over the course of 5 years. You'll learn a proven system for driving radical results that you can use for the rest of your life. You'll develop an invincible, relentless, unstoppable spirit that is awe-inspiring. You'll build supreme confidence as your ability to rise to the mental demands of the 12-Week Business Challenge strengthens your core. You'll find out what you're really capable of: greatness. So basically you have 2 choices on where to go from here. Choice 1, keep going down the same path you are traveling. Or there's choice 2, the smart business owner's choice. This is the quickest, easiest and smartest way to get the business you deserve. Join the 12-Week Business Challenge. If you're ready to achieve your goals fast, if you're finally ready to do what it takes to have a bigger, bolder and far more profitable business, then stop what you're doing and join the 12-Week Business Challenge now. Click the Join Now button and begin the 12-Week Business Challenge today.